welcome back to another episode of how to make some Italian dishes. So today we're going to teach you how to make tiramisu. Very simple, very easy. You don't even have to know how to bake because I'm not a big baker, but this you can too. So first you need about a bag of savoiardi. These are the lady fingers. You can find those at the grocery store. You can make your own, but we don't do that. Some espresso, about 2 cups of espresso. Leggero, yeah, a little bit lighter if you want your coffee. Some amaretto, optional if you want to add liqueur. If not, you can leave it out. You need 5 eggs, 500 grams, which is 2 tubs of mascarpone, and then we're going to use 5 tablespoons of sugar. So the way I always remembered it growing up, it was 5 eggs, 5 tablespoons, 500 grams. So it was kind of like my little cheat note. So, all right, so in the coffee, we're going to add about, this is about 2 cups. We're going to add about a quarter, 2 tablespoons of amaretto. It's a nice dessert liqueur. You can drink it at home. Nice to round off your evening. All right, so I'm gonna mix this up and then I'm gonna start dipping mix this up a little bit. I'm gonna start dipping the cookies.
No sugar.
No, qua dentro no. No sugar in the coffee, nothing. Just coffee and amaretto. And then you just wanna have a tray that you can put your tiramisu in and start layering. So while I do that, Francesca is gonna tell us how to mix it.
Okay.
All right, so 5 eggs, but you gotta separate the yolks from the white. All right, so with the yellow of the eggs, you want to put your 5 tablespoons of sugar in there. Oh, all right, so let's put our Flex Plus together. So today we're using solo uno. So today we're using the mixer part, the mixer attachment. And sai come funziona? So it's important that when you switch to your egg white that you rinse it off. You don't want any egg yolk in here or that could prevent your egg white from fluffing up, right? And then right here you can see I did 1 layer of the cookies already, okay? And we're gonna wait for the filling now before we can do the next one. So now it's time to whip the egg yolk, the egg whites. Va bene? Now very slowly kind of incorporate the eggs and the sugar. Add your mascarpone. All right, this is how it's all gonna look like. Look at that consistency. There we go. So mascarpone, if you've never bought it, you can find it at some grocery stores, not all of them, but it's kind of like an Italian cream cheese, I guess. Okay, metti la fila tu?
Sì.
All right, so now you just layer about 2 to 3 layers. I would probably not go higher than 4 layers. So you see you want it to be like nice and thick, but like whipped consistency, like light and airy at the same time. If you wanted to too, you could put some on the bottom as well. So this is a nice and thick one. And then when we're ready, we're gonna dust it off with some cocoa powder, but you wanna buy the dark cocoa powder, not like Nesquik, okay? That one's a little too sweet. You want the bitter cocoa powder because this is already sweet enough. And then it's gotta stay in the fridge, 24 hours, at least a couple hours. The longer you actually let it sit there, at least for, 24 hours, okay, the better it's gonna be. But even if you just make it in the morning and then you eat it in the afternoon, that's okay too.
What?
Like questo? Sì, like. All right, check this out. Super quick and easy.
Prova tu. Wow.
Oh, so good. I could eat this right now. Okay, check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao, ciao a tutti.
Ciao.